How to draw an isometric bed with desk. First, setting your canvas. Okay, create a new layer and set it to drawing axis and start to draw a bed. This is the bed that is on the top of the desk. The desk and the chair will be under this bed. For a small bedroom, next, start to draw a mattress. Look like I need to adjust the size of the headboard again because I want the mattress very thick. Right, next, start to draw a desk under the bed. Okay, next, start to draw a chair. Okay, don't forget to create a new layer every time when you start to draw a new object. Like we separate chair, separate bed, separate desk. We can call them they are different objects. And at the end, you can merge all of them. Okay, next, I'm drawing a ladder. Again, create a new layer first and set it to drawing axis. You can draw just one side of the ladder and then duplicate. Okay, and at the end, draw a blanket and pillows. And then it's done.